Now if your blades aren't turning, there's a good chance that it's what's called the PTO cable, the cable that engages the blades in your riding mower. Okay, this is the handle. It's really sloppy, nothing happening here. So that tells me that it's probably the PTO cable. So you can get to the location, you want to remove your battery. Brackets, because you need easy access into the area down here. Move your battery brackets. And this is a Husky, 2007 Husky MTD model. So some of you will have something different. I did already remove this end of the cable because I needed to use the mower, like a week or two ago. And as you can see, the end of this cable is busted off, and this here is the way it should look. See that? Okay? Because this will slip into a hole in the shifter. I removed that part, but we still have the other half that connects to the blades down below to disconnect. But I will show you how this goes back together in the reassembly. Okay, you can see that hole in the shifter here is where the end of the cable will go. Okay, it's just a little hard to take the video of it down there, but that's what we got down there. That's where that end will go. And this is the other end of the PTO cable, right there. And you have a spring on it that goes up in there underneath. And one arm. Let me go get some light, see if we can make it a little bit better on you. Be right back. Okay, I made a little more room, and we got a little light in there, so you can see the end of the PTO cable. And it's connected over here on that spring to the bar. For this video, I happen to have the deck off because I just did the mower blades too, which you can see in another video, and I'll link that in this description or at the end of this video. And see what will happen is up here, notice there are, let's get closer, a couple holes. See a couple holes there, and your spring end of your PTO cable will go in from the underside and come out the top. Do you see that? Right there. Yeah, that hole. Okay? Goes in like that. Okay, it might be a little difficult to see once I put the deck back on, but that's what we'll be doing. And over here, okay, so this will go, as you can see, well, that will go on that side, put the cable through the slot, and that goes through there. The PTO cable fits through there. Then you put the clip with that little bushing in there, and then the Allen, the other clip will go through there to hold it in place. Okay? And what we got to do now is take off this clip, bingo bango, just like that. Okay? Okay? Bring it up and out. That's a little loose right now. There you go. You see it's released. And then we have the spring that attaches. Okay, you see the springs attached over there to this pulley arm, and you just simply tilt it downwards, and there you go. Springs released. You see that? You see how I got it attach this little tie strap down there just to get it out of the way of some things. I didn't care for the way it was. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. Alrighty. Okay, it's attached by a little clip in back. And the cable should pull out about now. There's the old cable with the broken end on it. The wire, extra wire, is just something I added to help make it work when I needed it. There she goes. That's trash. Now working from the inside, you see this little clip over here. That's where the end. That's where the end of the PTO cable will pop up through. Okay? Alright, see this? Easy job. Get her lined up there. It has some right there. There. Alrighty. Okay, so then you see that lever there? Got to get the end of the PTO cable. There, you see that? It goes through the hole. Okay, working in there good. Go. See that? It just hooks right on in there. Okay? So, got that hooked up. Then we have that through there. Okay. What I want to do is get this PTO cable back through that clip. Little persuasion. Need 2 hands. Do you hear that? Okay, there you go. And that's going towards the front. Okay. So there's the bracket. We're going to put it back in. I showed you this earlier in the video. That's with the spring in case you can't see it. Let's go a little bit up. Okay, here's the spring, like I showed you. I'm going to put it in with the end facing up through that bar that I showed you earlier. Okay, let's get this in there. Okay, big high upper lift. See that? It's in there. Now we're going to get to this bracket. You see that? Again, that's just how I do it. There you go. Bingo, bango. See? Screw the hole there. There you go. It's in there. Now I'm going to take that little bushing thing, slip it on the end. Now we're going to take the clip and just, whoop, drop it. And take the clip and put it through that hole that was there. I've been wondering about changing and putting a cotter pin in this piece. But this might, I'll get another one later, maybe. But okay, you see that? Okay. Alrighty. See the PTO cable? There you go, that's the PTO cable. It's all connected. I'm going to go ahead and get another one of those tie wraps and attach it to one of these holes on the side just to take away some of the slack that's there. I'm not going to make it too tight, but just don't want it flopping around. Alright, so I'm just going to zip that up there. Not too tight. We got a lot of enough room there to move and bounce around. Snip it in the bud, right? And there you go on that. And PTO cable should be all ready to go. Let's put the battery back and we'll see what happens.